make sure that you have sliced or slivered almonds before making a recipe that uses them. Fortunately, I had whole almonds, so I'm slicing them up myself. Hello everyone, I'm so glad that you're joining me today here on my channel, Time to Cook, because I am making an amazing Asian salad that is going to knock your socks off. So this Asian salad uses a Napa cabbage and I just love it. It is kind of a cross between a bok choy and a lettuce. It is amazing. It just gives the salad a nice, crispy, fresh taste. And probably my favorite thing about this salad though is the crunchy ramen topping. Yes, you use ramen noodles. You mix them with some sliced almonds and sesame seeds, coat them in butter, toast them in the oven, and I'm telling you, this is what makes this salad amazing, is this crunchy ramen topping. So if you are new here to my channel, I am Chef Christy, and I am sharing delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload a new video, and give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this video. First thing I'm going to do is cut up this cabbage. Okay, so once your cabbage is sliced and washed, then I'm going to add about a cup of shredded carrot and about a half of a cup of sliced green onion. And then I'm just going to mix this all together. Okay, so to make our crunchy ramen topping, I'm going to use 2 packages of the ramen noodles and I'm just going to break them up in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to get rid of this flavor packet and I'm going to add the sliced almonds and the sesame seeds. Okay, so I'm going to use 5 tablespoons of a salted butter. Okay, I'm going to take some aluminum foil and put on a sheet tray. And now I'm going to pour this ramen noodle mixture into my melted butter, stirring to get everything nicely coated. And now I'm just going to pour this onto my sheet tray and spreading it evenly. So I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for right around 10 minutes or so, stirring periodically so that it does not burn. And it should be a nicely golden toasted color. Then I'm just going to pour it into a bowl. Okay, so now to make the delicious dressing that is poured over this salad. Oh my goodness, I think I could almost drink this dressing. It is so good. So in my salad dressing shaker, I have a half of a cup of vegetable oil. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of a reduced sodium soy sauce and 1/4 of a cup of rice vinegar, but you could use an apple cider if you want. And then a half of a cup of sugar. Put my lid on. And then shake. All right, it is time to build my salad. I am so excited. Let me show you. That crunchy topping, oh my goodness, it's what makes this salad amazing. Oh my goodness. I think you're going to be so surprised at how amazing that crunchy ramen topping is. It is just, it makes the salad just, like I said, it makes the salad I think I could eat this every day. Seriously. It is that good. And if you wanted to, you could add some sliced chicken to this. But I hope that you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.